So this is the one I've done yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this screencast without uploading it. You guys are going to select Add New Screencast. And then it's going to give you this window that you can adjust by using the bottom right corner. I'm going to suggest that you adjust it so that your entire map is showing, and I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm going to minimize this and go to my Microsoft Excel file. I'm going to open up my map. Notice how I've got it in full screen. And I'm just going to make sure that my entire map is showing from east to west and from north to south. Okay? So now we're ready to minimize Internet Explorer window, and the next step is to make sure the headset is properly plugged in and that the front mic is activated. Let me show you how what I mean by activating the front mic. On the lower right hand side of the screen there's this little volume indicator. I'm going to right click on it and select Adjust Audio Properties. That's going to let me select audio, and for sound recording, this part right here, you want to select the front mic. Mine doesn't have that, but yours should have the front mic option. Make sure that one is selected so that when you plug your mic into the front of the computer that it's ready to go. Okay? So again, we've got our Excel map open, it's in the full screen mode, and now we've adjusted the screen size. Okay? The next step is for you to select Record, and then you'll be able to highlight your 5 favorite comments by hovering over and then speaking what you've said, what you've written down in your script. You're also going to explain any sort of color or organizing elements that you've included in your map to make it look good. And then finally, you're going to explain something you would do differently if you had the chance to do it over again. Next step is to click the red circle. That's what we just did. And you've adjusted the size of the recording area. Actually, you're going to adjust the size of the recording area before you click the red circle. Then you're going to use your script and mouse cursor to present your map. When finished, you're going to select Done. Then it's going to give you a chance to enter your first name, or to create a title of your map. You're going to use your first name and class period. Then you're going to enter a description. You can just say something like so-and-so's Excel map. And then you're going to select the Upload button. It's going to take a few minutes for it to upload to the Excel map channel that I've created on the website, Screencast-O-Matic. So then you're going to want to do this while your screencast is uploading. You're going to want to save your Excel map, and I'll show you where. You're going to use your first and last name as the file name, and then you're going to save it to the Talmadge folder on the public user share, and you can save it to the folder for your class. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and click File, Save As. Then I'm going to locate, using this drop-down menu here, I'm going to locate the user share on SMSHP01. From there I'm going to go to the public folder. Then I'm going to find the Talmadge folder. It's in my computer, it's right here. Then I'm going to locate the folder called 2010 Excel Maps. And then there's a folder for each of your classes. And I'm going to call this Mr. T. Let's see, I'm going to use my first name. We're going to use John Smith as the file name and hit save. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be ready to go. And that's how to present and publish your Excel map. Good luck. I'll be walking around to answer any questions.